Have you ever felt like there's an incredible untapped power within you, just waiting to be unleashed? A power that, if harnessed correctly, could help you manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Health, wealth, happiness, and purpose. Well, according to the teachings of Dr. Ernest Holmes, each of us possesses a God-given power that can transform our reality. But how do we access it? And more importantly, how can we use it effectively in today's world? In this video, we'll dive deep into Holmes' profound philosophy and learn how to use this divine power to manifest your desired life. Whether it's attracting success, improving relationships, or finding inner peace, there's a spiritual process that can guide you toward achieving these goals. The best part, these principles are timeless and accessible to everyone, no matter where you are on your journey. Holmes believed that by aligning our minds with universal intelligence, the infinite source of wisdom and creativity, we can unlock the potential within and shape our destiny. But what are the steps to activating this power? And what practical tools can we use in our daily lives to ensure our desires come to fruition? Stay tuned as we explore the practical steps and spiritual insights from Dr. Holmes' teachings that will help you tap into your divine power and manifest the life you've always wanted. At the heart of Dr. Ernest Holmes' teachings is a profound understanding that each one of us possesses a unique, God-given power. This power, according to Holmes, is not something external that we need to search for, but an inherent part of who we are. It's the same creative energy that shapes the universe and governs the laws of nature. Holmes believed that we, as individuals, are divine expressions of this universal force, and through our thoughts, we can shape our reality. This concept might feel abstract at first, but let's break it down. Think about your life. The moments when everything seemed to fall into place effortlessly, or on the other hand, the times when things continuously went wrong. Holmes would argue that these outcomes are deeply connected to our mental and spiritual alignment. The thoughts we hold, the beliefs we nurture, and the emotions we carry all contribute to the circumstances we manifest in our daily lives. Essentially, we are co-creators with the divine, sculpting our reality through the power of thought. Holmes' metaphysical perspective teaches us that we have the ability to channel this creative power through our conscious mind. He referred to this as the law of mind in action. This law operates like a mirror, reflecting back into the world whatever thoughts and beliefs we project. It's not magic, but rather a natural law of the universe. When we recognize and embrace this truth, we unlock our full potential to create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. But how exactly does this power work? Holmes emphasized that the God-given power within us operates in harmony with the universe, always functioning whether we realize it or not. When we align our thoughts with positive, constructive ideas, we attract experiences that mirror these thoughts. On the flip side, if our minds are filled with fear, doubt, or negativity, we unintentionally invite those same forces into our lives. Holmes' message is clear. We have far more control over our lives than we often believe. By tapping into this spiritual connection and using our God-given power wisely, we can begin to consciously shape our reality, moving from a state of mere existence to intentional creation. The key lies in mastering our thoughts, cultivating spiritual awareness, and recognizing that we are not separate from the universal intelligence. We are an integral part of it. Dr. Ernest Holmes often spoke about the concept of universal intelligence, a divine presence that permeates everything in the universe. This intelligence, according to Holmes, is not a distant, unreachable force, but something we can align ourselves with in order to create meaningful change in our lives. So how can we tap into this universal intelligence and work with it to manifest our desires? The first step is understanding that this intelligence is always present and always available. Think of it as a vast, interconnected web of energy and knowledge. Whether we are aware of it or not, we are always influencing and being influenced by this force. Holmes believed that our thoughts and emotions serve as channels through which we either block or invite the flow of this divine energy into our lives. To align with universal intelligence, we must start by recognizing that we are part of it. It's not something external we need to reach for. It's already within us. This means that our thoughts and emotions are the keys to connecting with this higher power. If we constantly dwell on fear, negativity, or doubt, we shut ourselves off from the flow of this intelligence. On the other hand, when we focus on positive, constructive thoughts, when we act with faith, gratitude, and clarity, we create an open channel for this intelligence to flow into our lives. But alignment isn't just about thinking positively. It's about deeply believing that we are part of something greater and trusting that the universe will respond to our intentions. Holmes emphasized that the universe is neutral. It doesn't judge or decide what's right for us. It simply responds to the energy and intentions we project. So, if you want to align with universal intelligence, you need to be intentional with your thoughts. What do you truly desire? What is your vision for your life? By focusing your mind on these desires with clarity and purpose, you start to harmonize with the universal flow. One of the most powerful ways to align with this intelligence is through meditation and visualization. Meditation helps quiet the mental noise that often blocks our connection to the divine. When we meditate, we enter a state of receptivity, where we can tap into the deeper layers of consciousness. Visualization, on the other hand, allows us to imprint our desires onto the fabric of this universal intelligence. When we visualize our goals clearly and with emotion, we send a clear signal to the universe about what we want to manifest. Holmes also spoke about the importance of affirmations, positive statements that reinforce our alignment with universal intelligence. By regularly repeating affirmations like "I am in perfect harmony with the universe," or "I attract abundance into my life," we condition our minds to stay aligned with this higher power. The more we repeat these affirmations, the more they become embedded in our subconscious, helping us stay in alignment even when challenges arise. It's important to note that aligning with universal intelligence is not a one-time event. It's a daily practice, a conscious decision to tune into this divine frequency. Some days it will feel effortless, while other days might require more intention and focus. But with practice, this alignment becomes second nature. When we live in alignment with universal intelligence, we become powerful creators of our own reality. We begin to see synchronicities, those coincidences that seem too perfect to be random. Opportunities arise, challenges resolve themselves, and we attract the people and circumstances that help us on our journey. This is not luck. It's the result of being in flow with the universe. Ultimately, aligning with universal intelligence is about realizing that we are co-creators with the divine. The universe wants to work with us. It's up to us to open ourselves up to that partnership. By mastering our thoughts, practicing mindfulness, and embracing the power of affirmations and visualization, we can tap into this incredible force and manifest the life we truly desire. Dr. Ernest Holmes didn't just speak about the power of thoughts. He provided practical tools to help us harness that power and actively manifest our desires. In this section, we'll explore some of the most effective tools Holmes recommended for bringing your goals and dreams into reality. These tools, when used consistently, can help you align with universal intelligence and strengthen your ability to shape your own life. One of the foundational tools Holmes emphasized is meditation. Meditation is more than just a way to relax. It's a powerful spiritual practice that quiets the mind and opens the channel to universal intelligence. Through meditation, you become more aware of your thoughts, your inner desires, and your connection to the universe. It helps you step out of the chaos of daily life and enter a state of stillness where manifestation becomes possible. The key here is consistency. Even a few minutes of meditation daily can make a profound difference in your ability to focus your mind and align with your intentions. Another important tool is affirmations. These are positive, declarative statements that help you reprogram your mind and create new mental patterns aligned with your goals. Holmes taught that the words we speak have creative power. When we repeat affirmations, we are telling our subconscious mind and the universe what we want to bring into our reality. For example, if you're trying to manifest abundance, you might use an affirmation like, I am open to receiving unlimited wealth in all areas of my life. Repeating this affirmation daily reinforces your belief in abundance, helping to attract opportunities for wealth. Holmes also believed strongly in the power of visualization. Visualization is the practice of mentally imagining yourself achieving your goals. The clearer and more detailed your vision, the more powerful the practice becomes. When you visualize, you're not just thinking about your desires. You're feeling them as if they've already come true. This emotional connection is key. For instance, if your goal is to manifest a fulfilling career, take time each day to imagine yourself in your ideal job, feeling accomplished, happy, and successful. This sends a powerful message to the universe and strengthens your alignment with universal intelligence. Another tool that Holmes encouraged was the practice of gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. When you cultivate a mindset of gratitude, you open yourself up to receiving more of the good in life. This practice aligns your energy with abundance and keeps you in a positive, receptive state. Start each day by listing a few things you're grateful for, and you'll begin to notice how much easier it is to manifest your desires. Gratitude, like meditation, is a simple yet profound way to stay connected to the flow of universal intelligence. Journaling is another powerful tool for manifestation. Holmes suggested writing down your desires and goals as a way to clarify and focus your intentions. When you write something down, you're bringing it out of the abstract realm of thoughts and into the physical world. Journaling not only helps you clarify what you want, but also serves as a reminder to stay focused on your desires. You can also use your journal to track your progress, document synchronicities, and reflect on your spiritual journey. It's important to remember that all of these tools, meditation, affirmations, visualization, gratitude, and journaling, work best when used together. They're not one-time practices, but daily habits that help you stay aligned with your desires. Manifestation isn't about wishing for something and hoping it will appear. It's about becoming an active participant in the creation of your life. These tools help you do that by training your mind to stay focused, positive, and open to the possibilities the universe has to offer. Finally, faith plays a critical role in the manifestation process. Holmes emphasized that you must not only believe in your goals, but also trust that the universe will provide what's best for you, even if it doesn't always look like what you expected. Faith keeps you going when challenges arise or when manifestations take longer than expected. It's the foundation upon which all the other tools rest. Without faith, it's easy to fall into doubt or frustration. But with faith, you stay grounded in the knowledge that you are a co-creator with the divine, and that everything you desire is already on its way to you. By combining these spiritual tools with daily practice and a deep sense of faith, you'll find that you have everything you need to manifest the life you desire. No matter how strong your desire to manifest a better life is, one of the greatest challenges you'll face is overcoming the mental blocks that hold you back. Dr. Ernest Holmes understood that these barriers, such as fear, doubt, and limiting beliefs, can stand in the way of aligning with universal intelligence. But the good news is that with awareness and persistence, these obstacles can be dismantled, allowing you to step fully into your creative power. One of the most common mental blocks is self-doubt. This often manifests as negative self-talk, where you question your worthiness or ability to achieve your goals. You might find yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," or "this is too hard for me." Holmes taught that these thoughts are not the truth. They are just patterns of thinking that have been learned over time. The first step in overcoming self-doubt is to recognize it for what it is: a mental construct, not reality. By using tools like affirmations and meditation, you can begin to replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For instance, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," you could affirm, "I am worthy of success and abundance." Another major mental block is fear, whether it's fear of failure, fear of rejection, or fear of the unknown. Fear can paralyze us and prevent us from taking the necessary steps toward our goals. Holmes believed that fear is a product of the mind's disconnection from universal intelligence. When we forget that we are part of something greater, fear takes over. To combat this, we must remind ourselves that the same divine intelligence that governs the universe is working within us. Trusting in this higher power helps to dissolve fear and gives us the courage to move forward, even when the path seems uncertain. Holmes also emphasized the importance of letting go of limiting beliefs, the subconscious ideas that tell us what is or isn't possible. These beliefs often come from our upbringing, society, or past experiences, and they act as invisible barriers to our growth. A powerful way to overcome limiting beliefs is to challenge them head-on. Ask yourself, is this belief serving me? Or, is there any evidence that this belief is true? Often, you'll find that these beliefs have no real basis in reality and are simply old mental habits. By questioning them, you begin to break their hold on you. Lastly, overcoming mental blocks requires persistence. Changing your mindset and realigning with universal intelligence is not something that happens overnight. It's a process, and there will be times when doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs creep back in. The key is to stay committed to your spiritual practices, whether that's meditation, affirmations, or visualization, and to trust that with time and effort, these blocks will fade. Remember, mental blocks are not permanent. They are like clouds passing through the sky. They can obscure the light, but they can also be moved. By recognizing them for what they are and using the spiritual tools Holmes provided, you can clear these blocks and allow your God-given power to shine through. As we've explored throughout this video, Dr. Ernest Holmes' teachings offer profound insights into the power that resides within each of us, the God-gifted ability to manifest the life we truly desire. By recognizing and embracing this inner power, aligning with universal intelligence, and using spiritual tools like meditation, affirmations, and visualization, we can take control of our destiny. The journey of manifestation isn't always easy. There will be challenges and mental blocks to overcome, but the key is to remain persistent, stay connected to your spiritual practices, and trust in the process. Remember, you are not separate from the divine. You are a co-creator with the universe. The power to shape your life is already within you, waiting to be fully realized. So, take the first step today. Begin using the tools and insights from this video to harness your God-given power and manifest the life you've always dreamed of. The possibilities are limitless when you align your mind, body, and spirit with the universal flow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more content on spiritual growth and personal development. Thank you for watching, and may you continue to embrace your divine power.